Hello guys, welcome back. In the last lecture we have discussed all about the file which are included inside the cPanel, but you can't find the domains inside the cPanel section, right? This is a Bluehost cPanel account. If you have another hosting account, then you will get the domains inside the cPanel, but in Bluehost have domains inside the menu section. In the left side have a domains tab. As you can see, it is very important, so I click on that, and inside this domain section I'm going to teach you everything step by step. So inside the domains, you will add the domains, you will transfer the domains, you will manage the domains. You can do that inside the domain section. So this is a domains area. Inside there you will assign the domains inside the Bluehost. If you bought the domains from GoDaddy, Namecheap, and you want to add that inside the your particular hosting account, then you need to follow on this one step. I'm going to show you everything. So those are my domains. Those domains I bought from GoDaddy, and those domains I bought from Bluehost, and this domain I bought from Namecheap. So inside the every domain without this tubeclassify.com have add-on. Add-on means add the domain inside this one hosting, and primary means the particular domain which represents this hosting is attached with the help of this domain, means tube classified. I'm gonna show you practically what is the primary domain. I open the Bluehost on the new tab, and I want to buy a hosting from Bluehost. So I'm gonna teach you everything practically step by step. So I click get started, and I'm gonna select any packages inside the Bluehost account, I mean a Bluehost hosting. For example, I want to select this one, but basically this domain package will provide you one hosting, but I'm gonna select this one. I just show you what is the primary domain and how does work it, right? So I select this one plus package, and inside this section here are two options: create a new domain, use a domain. If you bought a domain from Namecheap, GoDaddy, or another company, then you need to enter the domain on there. For example, I have a domain, just a minute. I have a domain OnlineITtuts Tutorials. This domain is I bought from GoDaddy, so I copy that and paste on there. If I bought the domain from another company, if you don't have any domain and you want to buy also domain from Bluehost, then you need to enter the domain on there. So this domain or this one domain, you will enter any domain. This is a called primary domain, means you will use this one or this one domain inside the hosting as a primary domain, right? Like this one. So this is a domain primary. I bought the hosting from Bluehost with the help of this one domain, right? So this is a called primary domain. Understand? What is the add-on domains? For example, I add this one domain. This domain I bought from GoDaddy, and I want to add this one domain inside my Bluehost account or inside my Bluehost hosting. So I need to go on assign. Inside the menu section have assign domain tab. Inside there have two options. The first one is a use domain that is already associated with your account. No, I don't have an associated account with Bluehost, so I'm gonna paste my domain on there, and you need to wait. And then you will get the verification verify ownership this domain. I'm going to show you in a minute. Just a minute. Okay, this domain is expired. Basically this domain is expired today, but I'm gonna show you another example. I'm gonna use mysite.com. This is a temporary domain. I just use mysites.com. Right, once you add the domain on there, this is a temporary domain. This is not my own domain. I just tell you how you can add the domain inside your hosting. If you bought the domain from Namecheap, GoDaddy or another company, right? So you need to add the domain on there. Then you need to verify the ownership. You need to copy this one section and this one text, those text inside your particular hosting domain providers panel. For example, this is this one domain. This is an example, right? So you need to go on, click to view all domains, view all my domains, and you will get the domain on there, like this one. I'm going to click on that. This is just information that I help you to add the domain, right? So you need to go on below, and inside there have a manage DNS. You need to click on that, and you will see the input text field that will help you to store the name server, like this one. As you can see, you need to click on change, and you need to go on your hosting account. Then you need to copy the first one and paste on there, and you need to copy the second one and paste on there. Once you paste those name server inside your domain area, then you need to click save. If you have another server names like ns1, ns2, ns3 or ns4, then you need to click on add name server. Then you will get another server, right? So in my case, I have two name servers, so I just need to add two name server. Then you need to click save. Once you click save, then the Bluehost company will automatically getting the verification of this one domain on there. Once the verification will complete, then you need to select the choose a domain or choose a add-on or VS parked. You need to choose add-on domain, right? And finally you will get this one section, choose a add-on directory and subdirectory. What is this? This is a basically folder that will create after creating after verifying your domain. Then the particular directory will be created inside the file manager. I will tell you on later. So you need to use default setting and click to assign this one domain. Once you click this one button, then the particular domain will assign display inside the my domains section. Just a minute. So inside there you will see the particular verified domain will appear on there. Then you will use that to install the WordPress, upload a static website, upload PHP based website. You can do that. So I hope you are understood as well. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next lecture.